Hey guys, I am getting ready to go to town. As you can see, I'm obviously not in my work clothes getting ready to go to work. But I'm not going to do anything too drastic, at least that's not my plan. I'm just going into town to see my daughter who has gone off to college, and I don't see her as much anymore. She texted me today and said she missed me, and so I'm going to go see her. Just got out of the shower, my hair's still damp. I need to put some color correcting on my face and then get started. My air is going, y'all know how it is. I always have to apologize for that. There's no way I can turn it off. Summertime in Mississippi, yada yada. I mean, I'm sweating already with the air going, and you can't put makeup on when you're sweating like a pig, so that's just the way that's got to be. But it is September, so before long I'll be able to film without the air. So I'm putting some color correcting. Under my eyes have been bags and dark circles lately. I've been really tired, and I don't know why. For foundation, I'm going to use this Pop Fill HD Invisible Cover Foundation, and I'm going to mix a little bit of my Medic Pedic White Dream Tone. I don't normally like this foundation because it's a heavy coverage and it leaves me looking cakey, and I don't like that cakiness. But mixing it with that white will also make it paler, which is of course what I like for a goth look anyway, and it will serve the purpose of thinning it out a little bit, I hope, so that it's not so cakey on my skin. You see how much lighter this is than my skin. I don't ever do a full white goth look, but I do enjoy doing something that's paler than my normal. I don't like the all white look. Alright, before I put any powder on to set that, I'm going to use my Ritual to fill on my cheeks and also on my lips. Let's go ahead and put some on my lips because my lips are dry. They're always dry. I can't get away from that because of my radiation therapy to my face. Everything's dry. I like putting this on my lips when I just want a real light lipstick, when I just want it to be kind of a gray color instead of full black. Alright, now I'm going to contour a little bit with it. Now I'm ready to put some setting powder on before things start creasing really bad. Now that I'm sufficiently pale, and I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections L'Amour eyeshadow palette only because it's the first one within my reach that has a matte black, and also I want some more neutral shades for blending into the crease. So I'm going to start with this really kind of light pink mauve shade. And now I'm just going to go right into that matte black, also kind of in the crease a little, but mainly in this outer corner. Okay, now it's been a long time since I've used a cream eyeshadow, so I'm wanting to give this 24-hour color tattoo by Maybelline a chance. This color is Too Cool, and it's white basically. It's been, like I said, it's been a long time since I've tried a cream eyeshadow, so I want to see what I can do with it. Put it on my lid. That black from the BH Cosmetics palette is not very pigmented, and it didn't really make me look like, you know, like I had a lot of black on. I mean, I guess it's okay for a more casual look. That's not bad. I like that. Yeah, I like the way that turned out. For hooded eyes like I have, I mean, I love a smoky eye look, but for the most part, when you have hooded eyes like me, it's, it can help with your eye look if you put a lighter color on your lids. I'm just getting my hair out of my way right now. Alright, now out of the same palette, there's a white, and I'm going to put that over what I just did, simply because the cream that I put on, I don't want it to crease. So I want to set it with a powder, and so I'm putting white on it, because I don't want it to change the color any. I like the color that it is. Now I want to try to put a little more black in this look here. So I'm just going to go back over the outer corners with a little more black. This time I'm not pulling any colors under my eyes. I just feel like sometimes that's risky, especially when I already look real tired. And as you get older, that's not always the best thing to do, or at least you need to do it very carefully. And I'm just going for a fairly casual look today. I am going to use my e.l.f. liner and put some eyeliner on. And again, hooded eyes, I don't do winged liner. Right now I'm taking this really fine pointed brush and I'm just kind of smoking out that eyeliner just a little bit. That's why I use this kind of eyeliner instead of my liquid liner. Liquid liner is a very thin and precise line, and with this look, with all that white on my eyelid, I wanted something that was going to be a little softer, a little more smoky on my eye. I want to put a little more color on my lips. This is another Ritual to Feel lipstick that I got. This is the shade Ravenous. Alright, there's only one more thing left, and that's mascara. I'm not gonna put on false lashes. Let me show y'all my shirt. This is from Hot Topic, and it's the brand Black Craft, and it's very loose and airy. As you can see, I like my shirts to be just really loose and comfortable, you know. Alright. That is it. That is the completed look for today. And I am going to go to town and see my daughter. Thank you for watching.